Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What are you wearing?
Bro, dude, today was a weird day. I gotta stand up for my fellow crayon eating apes, you know what I mean?
I can't take you seriously.
You're not supposed to take me seriously.
Oh my god. Teflon John here.
Tough Leezy Fosheezy is in the heezy. You know what happened today? J Powell saved the day.
He did. And guess
J
what?
Powell saved the day.
Well, not yet. We're not out of the woods yet.
No. I don't think we're out of the woods. We are seeing some futures that are not looking too bright. Yeah. You know, if you guys want to know more, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up. Also, to the two people who gave us a thumbs down, your mom's a hoe. If you want us to cover a stock, make sure you guys drop it down in the comment section below. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. Bro, I don't know if I can take this off anymore. This is now a fixture of the show.
Are you gonna be? You might suffocate. First of all,
you know what? I've worn a mask for an entire year. I think this is fine. What's a different mask?
I cannot. I'm just staring at my screen. I'm like, who am I talking to? Am I talking to Grand Ape?
You're just a Master Crayon Eater. That's. I have to take it off. Oh man, that is rough. It is rough talking there, though. I'm gonna level y'all. That is rough in there.
Thank you.
Man. Today was very volatile.
It was.
It was extremely volatile, and it's.
I mean, at least we were prepared for it.
Oh no, yeah, we did. We did talk about the yesterday how it was going to be volatile, and one thing that I mean, how did you fare though? Like, any notable trades that you made today?
Actually, today I did add more DraftKings. Nice. I added 2 more calls. I think we're at 5 or 6. I don't even know. I gotta check again. Yeah, but overall, I think we are going to see some more weakness. If you want to pull up futures,
let's take a look at the Qs real quick here. This is what the QQQ is doing.
Bro, I'm in the garage right now. Obviously, you guys can see my background, but it's a circus right now in there. So I don't even want to go in there.
Yeah, so the futures right here, it's kind of confusing, right? Because not the futures. This is the QQQ. It's kind of confusing because we almost bounced off the EMA 20.
We did. If you're looking at futures right now, we might see some more pain tomorrow. Mm-hmm. But we also, what I'm trying to get out of this is a dead cat bounce. Since market's been down for tomorrow's going to be 3 days in a row. There might be a dead cat bounce. That's what I'm pairing on. That's what I'm trying to hope for.
Gotcha. For the people who are just new to trading, John, can you explain what a dead cat bounce is? We've talked about this before.
Dead cat bounce is pretty much an overreaction, and that's when the technicals line up and say, hey, you know what? A lot of these stocks are somewhat oversold on the shorter time frames, and that's when buyers typically step in, and that's what you call a dead cat bounce. So.
Gotcha. Let's take a look at NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures are not looking hot at all.
Yeah.
That's not looking pretty. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit.
Yeesh.
God.
So, yeah, we're looking at a daily chart right here. Again, we only look at the daily charts, and sometimes we look at the 5-minute or the 15-minute. But clearly you saw the support being broken. The EMA 9 broke today. Most likely the next stop is at the 20. So we definitely might see some more pain, but
Mm-hmm.
well, I don't want to say I'm hoping. I'm hoping that it would bounce towards the end of the day tomorrow.
You know what's interesting? All right, let me put my conspiratorial hat again. Let's take a look at the SPY while I'm explaining this. So
Yeah.
I have a feeling, right, because it is quadruple witching on Friday.
Yeah.
That this is it. People are selling out of positions and potentially buying again on Friday.
That could be true. Yeah.
That could be very well true, right? So I think that's definitely it. And then the SPY did pretty much the same exact thing as the Qs today. I mean, it kind of tracks pretty much the same exact way. The next stock that we want to cover, I mean, obviously we're going to talk about AMC here.
Is that why you were wearing that mask to commemorate, your grand AMC scheme?
Exactly. So if we take a look at the AMC chart from a technical standpoint, that wedge is alive, people.
It is. Oh my goodness. This one is, it's like watching a movie, right? The plot thickens.
Mm-hmm. Right? The plot definitely thickens, right? So it bounced off the EMA 9, and as long as we're holding that EMA 9, I'm okay holding longer here. Again, quadruple witching is on Friday. We might
Can you zoom out? Put a weekly chart.
Weekly.
I'm curious. Curious.
There you go.
What do you see?
What do I see? A stairway to heaven?
Well, that and a bull flag.
Yeah, that's definitely a bull flag for sure.
No, for real. Let's draw it. Let's draw it.
So this is the flagpole.
Yep.
Right, and this is the actual flag. So if we're gonna change these, right?
Yeah.
Right there, and then we're gonna move this down here. There you go.
Sheesh.
It's still pretty.
And also, Elon Musk, man, that guy's teasing us, man. Did you see the tweet?
I know.
What is he trying to say? Is there going to be another run-up? Because he said
we made this point earlier. Thank shout out to Molten Nismo for putting me in my place, because to me, any collusion is fine as long as it's in the stock market, right? I feel like if Elon was tweeting something along the lines of AMC that he needs to tweet, he would have tweeted it already. But Molten Nismo actually pointed out that if he did say something along like actually naming it, then like he'll get slapped with cease and desists, because obviously it's market now they want to call market manipulation when people are crying. You know what I mean? Like how unfair is that shit? How unfair is that shit? But I feel like again, today's one of those days where it needed to dip a little bit so we could see a higher rip. And by no means is this over yet. I'm still holding on to my calls. I'm holding on to my shares. We're still waiting for that 70 strike to pop. I mean, we have another 3 weeks on it. What about you, John?
I have a July 2nd $65 calls. I have two of those. And I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it.
You're feeling it, right? You feel it in your bones. You remember that one scene in
next
you
week.
Remember that one scene in The Big Short? You're like, smell that? Smell that? Smell money.
Smells like money.
Smells like money.
Hey, you know what
we want to talk about is
Brother,
Nio.
How about this? Before we move on to Nio, I just want to let you know, if this really big bull flag comes into fruition, right?
Yeah.
90.
Oh, 90 easy.
What was it? 90.
Oh, 90 easy, dude. 90 because of the gamma squeeze next week. That's it.
Yeah.
Right? That's it. That's primarily it. But Nio is actually looking fairly promising.
Yeah.
Nio looks really good for a good swing. From a technical standpoint,
is about to cross.
Yeah, the EMA 9 is about to cross over the 20. I mean, if it would have ended in a doji, that would have been beautiful, right? We did see a last 15-minute rip on Nio. The EMA, I mean, the MACD is about to curl up over, and we're still not in overbought levels. So I do feel that Nio has some more room to grow. What do you think?
For this one, what you want to watch out for is, first of all, it doesn't follow Tesla at all. Okay, it's its own animal. So what you want to follow is the EMA 9. So as long as it holds, you're good. Okay.
Yeah.
But when it obviously, I mean, there's no guarantees in the stock market. If this ever dumps below the 50, that's it. You got more, long-term pain, right?
Yeah.
But just keep an eye on that EMA 9 cross. That's typically a bullish signal. But tomorrow we might have another, painful day. So just if you're not in this position right now, there's always a chance. I mean, there's going to be tomorrow. How about that?
Yeah. There's always going to be an opportunity.
You can buy the dip on this one.
Yeah, definitely buy the dip on Nio. I do like it. Again, before we move on to the last stock, we just want to let you guys know this is not financial advice. These are stocks that John and I talk about on the daily so we could find our own entries and our own exits. And if you guys are following our trades, make sure that you guys manage your risk accordingly. And if you guys win some money, just give us a nice shout out. Don't give us a nice, don't give us a bad thumbs down like those two people that did in the last episode. If you guys win some money, give us a nice shout out, feature us, on your Instagram, show the world that you got it from us, and just give us a nice subscription there. If you guys lose some money, it's not like we didn't warn you guys, The next stock comes from a friend of the pod and Discord member, Tony. Tony actually asked about LTHM, which is Livent Corp, which does a lot of
Livent. Okay.
Livent.
I thought you said lithium.
Yeah, Livent Corp. Their ticker symbol is LTHM.
Gosh, that reminds me of
Latam,
an airline that I used to trade that got delisted.
that we got delisted in. Like we got delisted in.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned. Never again. So this is the LTHM chart.
Livent, what? First of all, Tony, where are you finding these companies, man? Who the heck is trading Livent? So Livent, pull up the daily chart right here.
Let me pull up the daily real quick. There we go.
Okay, so in all honest opinion, right here, the technicals. I mean, you will see more downside on this one. Okay, and that's just me. Here are my theories. Okay, here are my bear theories right here. You see the 9 crossing the 20.
Yep.
The 50's next. So as long as we don't inch up, in the 18s, this will come down even more. So the reason being is that it got shorted. The major dump happened when the bear flag or the bear hammer happened in last week, the 9th. Okay. So when it gapped down, you see how the EMA 9 is tracking and it keeps getting rejected.
Yep.
Right. You see how the candles for the past one, two, three, four, past 4 candles, it was getting rejected on 9.
Yep.
Okay. And so that's what's telling us right now. There's rejection on the 9. So it's below the 50. And I'm telling you guys the technicals right now. What you see is what you get. There's no volume. Was there some significant news on this one?
Offering.
Oh, was that why?
The offering on the 10th.
On the 10th,
$17.50 a piece.
Oh, that's why, huh? Okay, that's why they had a major gap down. Yeah, for this one, this one's going to keep bleeding. I'm sorry. So key levels of support would be about what 16.5 ish. Okay. And then you also have your EMA 9 and the 20 crossing downwards. Okay. So once it crosses the 50, I think there's going to be more pain. Okay. When a company does an offering, okay, typically the company bleeds, right? The stock will keep bleeding because they're pumping out more shares, out to the public, right? So this one, you just got to watch out for volume. Your first level of resistance is at 1855.
There you go.
Okay. But I highly doubt it's going to touch that, anytime soon.
Yeah. So, I mean, if we're going to take a look at it from a macro view, I feel that LTHM is the fundamentals are there. They are doing an offering so that they can make some capitals for future projects, and we don't know what they're actually going to use that money for. And now that there's an influx of shares out in the market, obviously the dilution is there, and we're going to find a new bottom for this stock. Now, if you're a long-term holder or you're an investor in LTHM, buy the dip. That's plain and simple. But if you're going to start a new position in LTHM, I would wait until we really find a true bottom before it actually shoots back up.
Yeah, this is going to be in choppy waters. I mean,
for a while.
Can easily see this in 16s again, 1620s, 1650s. Yeah, I would
might even want to short it for now.
Yeah, I would short this one.
I might even want to short this for now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, that is it for today's episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Drop in the comment section below the stocks that you guys want us to cover. And if we didn't get to the stocks that you wanted us to cover, we apologize. We go from a first come, first serve basis. And if that's the person that first hits us up, then that's the person we're going to talk about. That's the stock we're going to talk about, right? So don't feel bad if we didn't. You can always reach out to us individually if you want to know what our personal thoughts about a certain stock is. We're always reachable to you guys. Make sure that you guys follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. Robinhood sucks for 15% off your entire purchase off of our store. Also, if you haven't yet, Bust Down Investments is having a Bust Down Academy. If you want to be a new trader, brush up on some skills, or just join an active group of retail traders that will show you guys what a retail trading community really is. Make sure that you guys hit us up. We'll point you guys in the right direction, or hit up, Bust Out Investments. JSPs will definitely get you guys on the right track. And with that being said, let's get trading. And the charts do not lie.
Yeah.